As you can tell, the grandkids are here. We're gonna cook them something a little bit different, but look what we were given to be able to do that. Check out this box, the Dream Cooker. And everything about this box says nice. And when you open it up, you can see how well it's packed. You get a cord right here at the top. And when you get this out, look at this nice bag that it's in. We're gonna pull this out, push this out of the way, and check this out. Now this is not just a crock pot, but this is also a pressure cooker. So we can use this in two different ways. And when you get this out, you have a really nice stainless steel coated on the inside and out. You also get the cooker part itself in here. Everything is just absolutely kept apart by paper so nothing gets scratched. Heavy duty lid with a seal on the inside for the pressure cooking setup. On the side here, on the inside, you can see that it tells you where your maximum deals are to be able to cook. So we are going to make a soup in this. We're going to get everything out, get it in, and we'll show you at the end how well it works. Okay, so when you plug it in, you can see there's a power button, and when you turn it on, it's going to give you whether or not you want to pressure cook, you want to slow cook, you want to sear, or maybe you just want to keep it warm. So you would just choose, let's say we're going to do slow cook, and then right there, it's going to give you the different ones. So if you're going to cook it slow all day, or you want to go high and get it over with, it's all really set up and to be able to use. So let's get to cooking. Right. And we are done. Now, we have already pulled some food out of this, but looky there. Not only did we get everything done, but once it gets through, it starts a timer and just keeps it warm. So if you are in need of a slow cooker that can act as a pressure cooker, it's an all-in-one kind of deal for you. Save a lot of space in your house because now you can get rid of 2 items and go to 1. Then get you this.